Welcome to Sony's 5-Minute Tech Tips. Today we will talk about how to troubleshoot software installation issues, specifically on problems found while monitoring the installation progress. After you have checked the status of the TV and verified that the front panel green and amber LED is flashing, you will need to monitor the install progress to make sure that the process continues without hanging up. One symptom you may notice during the software installation is that the USB drive does not flash continuously when it should. You will see that the screen is black, the front panel green and amber LED is flashing, and the USB drive is not flashing continuously during the first 2 minutes. To remedy this symptom, you might try waiting 1 minute longer for the main board to initialize so it can start reading the USB flash drive. Look for the flashing LED on the USB drive after 1 minute. If that doesn't work, you can try unplugging the power cord from the wall and removing the USB flash drive, then plugging the power cord back in and waiting 1 minute before inserting the USB flash drive back into the USB port. The next symptom you may notice during the installation is that the white LED does not flash slowly when it should. You will see that the screen is black, the green and amber LED continues flashing, and does not change to a slowly flashing white LED after 3 minutes. To remedy this symptom, you might try reformatting the USB drive to a FAT32 file system, and then copying the original downloaded and tested file to the root directory of the USB drive. Or you can try unplugging the power cord from the wall, removing the USB drive, then plugging the power cord back in and waiting 1 minute before inserting the USB flash drive back into the USB port. Another symptom you may notice during the installation is that the green and amber LED starts flashing again in the middle of the process. You will see that the screen is black and the green and amber LED starts flashing again after 30 minutes or after 9 minutes on models ending in D, E, and F. This is normal. There is no need to remedy this symptom. This is the second push that the TV does when installing the software. Look for the slowly flashing white LED after 2 minutes, then allow 30 more minutes for the install to complete, or 9 minutes for models ending in D, E, or F. The last symptom you may notice during installation is that the software update fails to complete. You will see that the screen is black, and the front panel green and amber LED continues to flash, or it may flash red several times. Any flashing red LED or other LED indication not mentioned is a sign of a different failure that must be resolved before continuing with the software installation. Refer to your service manual for more details about flashing red LEDs. If you do have other LED indications that are not mentioned, you may also refer to the Software Install After Mainboard Replacement Technical Training Guide for further assistance. Go to the appendix and follow the How to Install Bootloader procedures to try to remedy this problem. Or you can contact Sony's technical support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching Sony's 5-Minute Tech Tips.